Hello everyone, I am CS Nagar and this is my sixth video on matrices. In this video, we will cover question number 10 to 17 of exercise 3.2. So let's see what is question number 10. So our question number 10 is solve the equation for x, y, z and t if 2 times x, y, z, t plus 3 times 1, 0, minus 1, 2 which is equal to 3 times 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it is very simple question. So let's take this question in homework. Next question, question number 11, which is also very simple question. If x a column matrix 2, 3 plus y, once again a column matrix minus 1, 1 and which is equal to 10, 5. Find the value of x and y. So once again it is homework for you. And next question number 12. If it is given that 3 times x, y, z, w which is equal to x 6 minus 1 2w plus 4 x, y, z, w plus 3, then find the value of x, y, z and w. So it is the same as question number 10. So it is also homework for you. Okay, next question. This is question number 13. If f of x square matrix, first column cos x sin x 0, second column minus sin x cos x 0 and third column 0, 0, 1, then show that fx into fy which is equal to f of x plus y. Let's see the solution of this question. Since here fx is equal to first column cos x sin x 0 minus sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. So if we replace x by y, then f of y which is equal to cos y sin y 0 minus sin y cos y 0 and third column 0, 0, 1. And similarly, if x replaced by x plus y, then it will be cos of x plus y sin of x plus y 0, second column minus sin of x plus y cos of x plus y 0 and third column as it is. Now we will take LHS. So here LHS is fx into fy. Fx it means matrix, first column cos x sin x 0 minus sin x cos x 0 and third column 0, 0, 1, and same as matrix f of y which is cos y sin y 0 minus sin y cos y 0 and 0, 0, 1. Now we find the product of these two matrices. So let's take first row and first column, cos x into cos y plus minus sin x into sin y plus 0 into 0, that is 0. Now second element of first column. So once again second row first column, sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y plus 0 into 0, that is 0. Now third element of first column. So third row once again first column, 0 into cos y 0, 0 into sin y once again 0 and 1 into 0, that is also 0. So this is the element of first column. Now element of second column. So once again first row second column. So cos x into minus sin y plus again minus sin x into cos y plus 0 into 0, that is 0. Now next element, second row second column, sin x into minus sin y, so it will be minus sin x sin y plus cos x into cos y plus 0 into 0. Now last element, so third row and second column, 0 into minus sin y, that is 0, 0 into cos y which is also 0 and 1 into 0 which is also 0. Now element of last column. So once again taking first row and third column, first row cos x into 0, that is 0, minus sin x into 0 which is also 0 plus 0 into 1 which is also 0. Now next element, so second row third column, sin x into 0, 0 plus cos x into 0, 0 plus 0 into 1, that is also 0. Now last element, 0 third row and third column, so 0 into 0, 0, again 0 plus 0 which is also 0 plus 1 into 1, that is 1. So this is our multiplication. Since we know that cos a plus b which is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, so let's see here our first element which is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So it will be cos of x plus y. Now second element of first column, it is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. So it is a formula of sin x plus y and last element is 0. Now second column, for first element of second column, first we take minus sign common out. So it will be a formula of sin x plus y. Second element, which is cos x cos y minus sin x y, so it is a formula of cos x plus y, and third element which is 0, and last column which is 0 0 1. So look here, this is the matrix f of x plus y. So hence complete the proof. Now next question number 14, it is homework for you, because in this question you have to show only a into b which is not equal to b into a. So it is a just of multiplication of two matrices. So try this question. Next question is 15. Find a square minus 5a plus 6i if matrix A is equal to first column 2 2 1, second column 0 1 minus 1, third column 1 3 0. So let's see the solution of question number 15. Since a square minus 5a plus 6i, in place of a square write a into a minus 5a as it is plus 6i also as it is. A, here matrix A is 2 2 1, 0 1 and minus 1 and 1 3 0. So in place of A write 2 2 1, 0 1 and minus 1, 1 3 0, and once again write matrix A minus 5 into, once again this is matrix A, plus 6 into I means unit matrix, so it is 1 0 0, 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. Now next step, find the product of these two matrices. It means first row first column. So 2 into 2 4, 2 into 0 into 2 2, 0, and 1 into 1 1. Now second row first column, so 2 into 2 4, 1 into 2 2, and 3 into 1, that is 3. Now third row once again first column, 1 into 2 2, minus 1 into 2 minus 2, and 0 into 1, that is 0. Now element of second column, so once again first row second column, so 2 into 0 which is 0, 0 into 1 which is 0, and 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1. Next element, second row second column, 2 into 0 once again 0, 1 into 1 1, 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Last third row second column, 1 into 0 0, minus 1 into 1 minus 1, 0 into minus 1 0. Now element of third column, once again first row and third column, so 2 into 1, that is 2, 0 into 3 which is 0, 1 into 0 once again 0. Next second row third column, 2 into 1 2, 1 into 3 3, and 3 into 0 which is 0. And last third row and third column, so 1 into 1 which is 1, minus 1 into 3, that is minus 3, and 0 into 0 which is 0. Now multiplied by 5, so 5 into 2 10, this is also 10, 5 ones are 5, 0 5 here, minus 5, 5 into 1 5, 5 into 3 15, and 5 into 0, that is 0. Multiplied by 6, so it will be 6 0 0 0 6 0 and 0 0 6. 4 plus 1, that is 5, 4 plus 2 6, 6 and plus 3 9, plus 2 and minus 2 cancel out, it will be 0, only minus 1 remaining. 1 and minus 3, that is only minus 2, this is minus 1, and last is 2, 2 plus 3, that is 5, and this is minus 2. Now first and last matrix both are positive, so transfer this matrix here, 6 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 6, and after that write this matrix minus sign, 10 10 5, 0 5 minus 5, and 5 15 0. First find the sum of these two matrices. So 5 plus 6, that is 11, minus 1 2 as it is, 9 as it is, minus 2 plus 6, minus 2 plus 6, that is 4, the remaining element as it is, and now 0 minus 1 as it is, and minus 2 and plus 6 once again 4. Now last step, find the difference. 11 minus 10, only 1, 9 minus 10 minus 1, 0 minus 5, it means minus 5, -1 -0, it means only -1. 4 minus 5, once again -1. -1 and minus minus plus 5, so it will be +4. 2 minus 5, it means -3. 5 minus 15, it means -10. And last 4 minus 0, that is 4. This is our answer. Now, let's see the proof of one more question, question number 17. So our question number 17 is, if matrix A is equal to this and I is equal to that, then find the value of K so that A square, which is K into A minus 2I. So our condition is A square, which is equal to K into A minus 2I. So take this condition, A square equal to K into A, where K is any constant, into A where A is matrix, minus 2I. A square, it means A into A. Our matrix A is 3, 4, minus 2, minus 2. 3, 4, minus 2, minus 2, write 2 times, equal to K into, once again this is A, minus 2I, which is 1, 0, 0, 1. So first multiply these two matrices. First row, first column, 3 into 3, that is 9. Minus 2 into 8, minus 8. Sorry, minus 2 into 4, minus 8. Second row, first column, so 4 into 3, that is 12. Plus minus 2 into 4, that is minus 8. Now once again, first row but second column. So 3 into minus 2, that is minus 6. Minus 2 into minus 2, that is plus 4. And last element, second row and second column. 4 into minus 2, that is minus 8. Minus 2 into minus 2, that is plus 4. Equal sign as it is, multiplied by K. So this 3K, 4K, minus 2K, minus 2K. And also multiplied by 2 this matrix, so 2, 0 and 0, 2. This matrix transfer to left sides, so it will be positive. 9 minus 1, that is 9 minus 8, that is 1. 12 minus 8, that is 4. Minus 6 plus 4, it means minus 2. And minus 8 plus 4, it means only minus 4. And this matrix transfer to right side, so 2, 0, 0, 2. Now find the sum of these two matrices. 2 plus 1, that is 3. 4 plus 0, that is 0. Minus 2 plus 0, which is only minus 2. And minus 4 and plus 2, that is minus 2. Now compare these two matrices. First element, A11. 3K is equal to 3. 3K is equal to 3 or 3 is equal to 3K. 3 and 3 cancel out, K equal to 1. Second element, 2, 1. Second row, first, this is 4. 4K. 4 is equal to 4K. Once again, 4 and 4 cancel out. So K is equal to 1. This one also, minus 2 is equal to minus 2K. So when we compare all the elements, you will get the same value of K, that is K is equal to 1. Hence complete the proof, because we have to find the value of K. So guys, only one question remaining, that is question number 16. So try this question at your home. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video.